Looks like Samsung is finally getting things back on track with the One UI 7 update. After hitting pause for a bit, they've now confirmed that the rollout is starting up again soon. Word on the street is a new version, internally named BYD9, is in testing for the Galaxy S24 series. It's still not final though, so depending on where you live, the version you get might be slightly different. A reliable tipster also pointed out that Samsung uploaded a new stable build to their servers, which could be the one they'll release, or maybe not. There's no official confirmation on whether this is the version or just another test. But either way, a fresh build means they've likely patched up a bunch of bugs. Over on Samsung's Korean forums, a company mod acknowledged the update issue and even apologized for the trouble, especially for folks using Galaxy S24 models with the Exynos 2400 chip. Apparently, some phones were freezing randomly. Samsung says they've almost wrapped up their checks and are prepping a small patch update, internally called HAFIX, to fix those problems and improve stability. This fix will hit the Galaxy S24 series first, along with the upcoming Z Flip 6 and Fold 6. The update will roll out starting in South Korea, Europe, and the US, with India and the rest of Asia following shortly after. If you're using any of those devices, you'll want to keep an eye out for the update notification. But before you rush to install anything, there's something worth knowing. Some users have been reporting green lines appearing on their screens after installing One UI 7, especially on Galaxy S22 and S23 models. And it's not just a fluke. These kinds of issues usually happen when your phone gets too hot during a software update. That heat can mess with delicate components inside, like the flex cables that connect your screen to the rest of the hardware. Once those are damaged, you start seeing weird lines. It's even more likely to happen if your phone is charging while updating. High temperatures during that process can really push the hardware and lead to damage. To avoid that kind of headache, there are a couple of easy things you can do. Make sure your phone is already well charged before you update, so you don't have to plug it in during the process. Also, if you've just taken it off the charger, let it cool down a bit before starting the update. The goal is to keep your phone from overheating while it's installing the new software. Have you updated your Galaxy S24 yet? If so, how's it going? Everything running smoothly, or have you run into any glitches? Curious to hear what your experience has been like. Until then, take care.